Hey there. Week 6. We are just halfway done with the class. Sounds like it's time for a midterm. So that's actually the first thing of the week. Is you'll find the midterm down lower, and but don't forget there's more to do after the midterm. It's not just one and done. Before you take the midterm, make sure you got your notes sheet ready. I sent a message about that. 8.5 by 11. You can write on both sides, so that's a lot. Um, but take it as a closed book test. You have your notes. You should make notes and then do the test. Um, so also there's a couple things to be studying as afterwards. Related rates is there's a lot to it. It's not easy. It's pretty cool. Um, so that's the bulk of the learning for the week, and then just a little bit on linearization that we'll get started on Friday. So that's that, and there is a step by step, and there's a little quiz. So full week. Enjoy. Bye.